Good morning. We as in
Hi guys.
CDubs. Yeah, I'm in Yuma. I told y'all I had to get to Yuma because CDubs is having eye surgery sometime in the near future. Right? You wanna
Oops. Whoops. She's throwing me everywhere. Ouch. Oh, wait, I'm not bloody. It's all good.
Yeah, she'll tell you the details.
Well, what's happening today is they're going to dilate my eyes and see where they are, and then make plans to start getting some surgery
Cataract surgery.
Cataract surgery. Hopefully that's all it's going to be.
Yeah.
You never know what they're going to find when you're doing all those intricate details, but the plan is it's just going to be cataract surgery, so in one eye, and then the other eye 2 weeks later, if there's no complications or anything. So that's what we're going to be doing, and Jay is going to she's taking me all these places because I can't see, when they dilate my eyes.
That's right. So,
turn left onto California 186 North, then turn right onto the I-8 East ramp.
yes, we're in California. But we'll be back in Arizona, like, lickety split. But, so that's what we're doing. First thing today is going to the eye doctor. She's going to get her eyes dilated, and then I can just lead her around wherever I want her to go.
Oh,
all
great.
Right, I'm going to drive.
Are we filming again?
Yeah.
I'm looking around because I can't see with this lighting in here.
I know, it is weird lighting.
It is. And then when I came out of the restroom, it was like I'm looking for you, and I was like, I can't see.
She can't see. And now we wait.
No, it's okay. Anything here?
So, you are going to have surgery.
I am going to have surgery. We're going to do the consultation here in a little bit and find out what day. Everything seemed to look pretty good. I'm not going to have, it doesn't seem like it's going to be more expensive. So that was good news to hear, because I thought it was going to be more from prior conversations. But with all the tests today, everything looks like it's going to go.
Her eyes are dilated, if you are wondering.
Yes, my eyes are. I'm not trying to be cool.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that seems to be going on with that. And if you hear me trembling, I just had a bug incident.
I think I brought a bug from New Mexico to Arizona.
Right, and then realizing if you've ever had your eye dilated, it kind of messes with your vision a bit. So I'm looking down at my pants and I'm thinking,
what's crawling on their leg?
Yeah, but I thought it was the Velcro part of my pants on my pocket. And then I realized that's not where my pocket was. And I just said, what is on my leg? And she goes, a bug. I scrambled out of the door because I didn't know what it was, what kind of bug. And she didn't get any of that on video, sadly. You guys would have loved that, but just go visual with it.
And what did we eat for lunch? I didn't even show what we ate for lunch. I was getting so bad at filming nothing.
Because we couldn't believe we found one. It was a Church's chicken.
Yeah.
Oh, that was delicious.
So good, so good. I used to eat, it makes my mouth water still. I used to eat Church's chicken, 2 pieces of dark meat, a jalapeno, and a strawberry to drink in a roll. And that's what I had today. It was so good.
Oh, it was so good. It was a Texas staple, basically.
Yeah. We got 2 pieces of chicken and a roll for less than $5. It was $4.42, something like that.
Yeah.
You can't eat for that.
You can't eat at McDonald's for that anymore.
And we had chicken.
And we had chicken, and it was good chicken. It was not just any chicken.
Yeah.
It was good chicken.
So I know what we're eating every time we have to come here.
Absolutely. And it looks like we're going to be coming back and forth quite a bit here lately.
Yeah. More about that later.
Bye. Peace, love, big hugs, guys.
Good morning. So this is a few days after we went to the doctor's office. We're going to do this little catch up to finish this video. So You are having surgery.
I am having surgery on my eyeballs,
And your
I'm
eyeballs.
on my eyeballs.
Cataract surgery.
Yeah, cataract surgery. The left one first, because I think it's the one that's the worst, but I could be mistaken. But it doesn't matter.
Because you're going to do them both.
Yeah, we're going to do them both. And then the next one will be the right eye after. It's usually 2 weeks, but because of the holidays, we're going to do it a little bit sooner, like a week and a half, I think it is. So that's good for me.
So December is booked.
December, my month of December is totally booked.
My month of December is totally booked.
Okay, am I in frame?
Yeah.
yes, it is, and I'm so thankful that I have managed to book her month of December as well.
That's why I'm here.
And the reason I asked that is because I cannot see that screen at all.
Well, I think because the way it's... Can you see it better there?
I can't see it at all. It's black. It's like there's nothing on there.
Okay.
Let me take my glasses off. Yeah,
Can you see it now?
I can kind of see the shape of my head, but that's about it. Yeah, other than that, no. And they're going, Dubs, how are you driving? Driving's different. And I get really, really focused when I'm driving. Days that I know I can't drive, everything is super, super foggy, or like in thick smoke, I don't drive. And if that happens while I'm driving, I am looking for a place to pull over and I wait it out. Do drops again and see if that helps. If it doesn't clear it up, I just stay where I am.
That's the beauty of having your home with you.
Absolutely.
Yeah. You have 6 appointments in December.
7 if you count the one where I'm waiting on a call back from a doctor.
Oh.
From another appointment.
Yeah, but
yes.
eye doctor.
Yeah, but the eye doctor, we have how many? 6?
6.
I say we because you're right there with
Yeah.
me. And maybe more if I can't drive.
True.
But we're not looking for any complications, and I don't think we will have any. But if that happens, then yeah, I may be down for a minute, but we'll see how that goes.
And
If not, I get to start talking in Braille. Is that you?
is that you?
Is that you?
Yeah.
Let me feel. Oh, that's you,
That-
Frug.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But anyway, so y'all will follow along because I'm gonna be filming her eyes. Not really. All right. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.